An Air India Boeing 7878 Dreamliner aircraft flying as flight A1171 crashed on June 12, 2025, just 5 minutes after taking off from runway 23 of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport in Ahmedabad. The incident happened at around 1:39 p.m. The plane was on its way to London Gatwick Airport. The aircraft crashed just outside the boundary of the airport near Meghani Nagar. A huge fireball and thick black smokes were seen rising from the crash site, as confirmed by the air traffic control staff and local eyewitness. At least 7 fire engines were quickly sent to the spot to put out the fire. There were a total of 242 people on board the aircraft, including 230 passengers and 12 crew members. Among the passengers were former Chief Minister of Gujarat Vijay Rupani, who was reportedly seated in business class, Section Z. His current situation has not been officially confirmed yet. According to official sources, the passengers on board, including 169 Indian nationals, 53 citizens of the United Kingdom, 7 Portuguese nationals, and 1 Canadian citizen. The flight also had a full of crew consisting of Indian staff members. Captain Sumit Sabharwal, who was serving as a line training captain and had 8,200 hours of flight experience, was in command of the aircraft. He was assisted by the flight officer, Sea Life Kundar, who had completed 1,100 hours of flying. Shortly after takeover, the crew issued a Mayday distress call, indicating a serious emergency. However, the aircraft lost all the communication with the air traffic control soon after the call was made. All flight operations at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport in Ahmedabad have been suspended until further notice. Emergency response team, local police, and aviation authorities are currently at the crash site. They are working together to carry out the rescue operation, provide medical assistance, and ensure the area is secure for investigation and safety purpose. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed deep sorrow over the tragic plane crash in Ahmedabad, calling it a heartbreak beyond words. He has instructed Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Minister of Civil Aviation Ram Mohan Naidu to immediately travel to Ahmedabad and take charges of the relief and rescue operations. The Prime Minister assured all the possible support will be provided to the victims and the families during this difficult time. Air India has confirmed the tragic incident and stated that it has activated its emergency support center to assist those affected. The chairman of Air India, Natarajan Chandrasekharan, expressed his deep condolences to the families of the victim and assured full cooperation with the authorities during the investigation. The Ministry of Civil Aviation has announced that the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau has officially taken charges of the investigation into the plane crash. The AAIB will lead the efforts to find out what caused the tragic incident. Technical expert of Boeing, the aircraft manufacturer, and also expected to assist in the investigation. Air India has launched a dedicated helpline number to assist the families of the passengers involved in the accident. The airline, along with the government authorities, is working continuously to provide timely updates, emotional support, and necessary relief to the affected families and the survivors. Their efforts are focused to ensuring that those impacted receive all the possible help during the difficult time.